The Regency Palace, an old luxury hotel, offers spacious rooms and delivers commendable service. The dining experience is delightful, featuring a variety of options for both breakfast and dinner, and the staff exceptionally helpful. However, it's worth noting that the rooms, particularly the bathrooms, are in need of a renovation. Amman, the vibrant capital of Jordan, is a city that seamlessly blends the rich tapestry of its ancient history with the pulse of modern life.
Mezzo chilo di questi. Mezzo chilo di ravanelli. Un mezzo chilo di ravanelli.
After a full immersion of colors and scents in the souk, the visit continues to the Amman Citadel. At the heart of this bustling metropolis, an archaeological marvel perched atop Jabal al-Khaleh. This ancient site has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, with traces dating back to the Bronze Age. The citadel stands as a testament to Amman's enduring legacy, offering panoramic views of the city and serving as a captivating time capsule. Not far from this archaeological treasure, the Roman amphitheater unfolds a magnificent relic from the city's Roman past. This well-preserved amphitheater, constructed during the reign of Emperor Antoninus Pius, once echoed with the cheers of spectators witnessing gladiator contests and theatrical performances. Wandering through the remnants of these ancient structures, visitors in Amman can feel the echoes of bygone eras. The citadel and Roman amphitheater, standing side by side, narrate a compelling tale of the city's evolution, from the heights of ancient civilizations to the cosmopolitan energy of contemporary Amman. Together, they embody the enduring spirit of this capital, where history and modernity harmoniously coexist. Ajlam Castle, also known as Khalat Rabid, is a striking fortress nestled in the green hills of northern Jordan. Constructed during the 12th century by Izz ad-Din, the nephew of the great military leader Saladin, the castle served as a defensive stronghold against the Crusader forces and protected the surrounding region. Its robust construction, with massive walls and watchtowers, reflects the military expertise of its builders. The castle's location at the crossroads of key trade routes allowed it to control the flow of commerce and served as a vital link in the chain of communication between cities. Exploring Ajloun Castle today allows visitors to wander through its well-preserved halls, passages, and towers, gaining insights into the architectural prowess of the Islamic military architecture of the time. The strategic placement of the castle, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a stark contrast to its historical role as a military bastion. Perched atop Mount Auf, Ajloun Castle offers commanding views of the Jordan Valley, making it a strategically significant fortress during medieval times. Jerash, located in the fertile heights of northern Jordan, is an archaeological marvel that echoes the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Often referred to as the Pompeii of the East, Jerash boasts an exceptionally well-preserved ancient city, offering visitors a glimpse into its storied past. The imposing Hadrian's Arch and the Oval Plaza stand as testament to the city's strategic importance during the Roman period. Dating back to the 4th century BC, Jerash flourished as a prosperous Greco-Roman city and later became an integral part of the Decapolis League. The city's remarkably preserved ruins showcase a vibrant urban center with colonnaded streets, theaters, temples, and arches. The unique combination of Greco-Roman and Oriental influences, along with the city's meticulous preservation, makes Jerash a captivating destination for history enthusiasts and travelers seeking a vivid connection to the past. One particularly fascinating historical note is the Nymphaeum, a grand fountain dedicated to the water nymphs. This intricate structure reflects the Romans' advanced engineering skills, with its elaborate carvings, statues, and a network of water channels. It served as a central gathering point and a testament to the city's commitment to both functionality and aesthetics. Wandering through the ancient streets of Jerash, visitors can almost feel the pulse of life in this once thriving metropolis.